doing today? I'm doing well. Sorry I don't have any makeup on. I wasn't really planning on filming today. I'm changing my hair and I don't know what color I'm changing it to because this is like very impulsive. I happen to have time today, so I was like, I'll take that up and change my hair. So we're gonna lighten my roots. I've got the Danger Jones lightener. We're gonna lighten my regrowth up here. And then I have got Joico color eraser. So I'll lighten my regrowth and then whatever is left through we will pull out of my ends and then we'll see what happens from there. This is a surprise hair color. I don't even know what I'm gonna end up with today. I've got like a whole lot of hair color. I know what I really want to do. I want to do it like white in the front and black on the rest, but I know if I do that I can't change it for a really long time. I'll hold off on that color. We'll do something. I don't know if we're gonna end up with vivids, with silver. I don't know what's gonna happen. Here's the beginning. It's purple. And I've been tired of it being purple for a while. I just haven't had time to change it. It's also really like dry and crappy right now. This is always such a look when I do this. So I went in the bathroom and applied it so I could see it really well. I'm going to let it process for about 30 minutes and then I'm going to go through and cross check everything and make sure it's lightening good. Alright, doing a check-in. It's been about 50 minutes. I'm crying because I'm watching a K-drama and I can't wipe the tears away because of this. It's called Crash Landing on You. It's on Netflix. It's very painful. Anyway, it's been on for about 50 minutes. I'm gonna run what I have left through the ends and then I'm gonna rinse it and then and then I'm gonna do the Joico color eraser. I'll be right back. Alright, I know I look crazy, so ignore that. I just blow dried the front real quick a little bit just to see where we were at. And I did something while I was like waiting. I got out all of the hair color that I have because I was hoping that if I saw it all laid out, it would help me figure out what I want to do, and it is not actually. I don't know what I want to do. Do you ever have this like feelings where you just want a change but you don't know what you want? I'm going through that, I think. I wanted to color it red, but I don't have any red. I don't have anything I want to do. It's still very blue. I haven't done a color remover on it yet. I found a good bit of color removers though. I have a Danger Jones color remover, the Joico color eraser, and Pulpurite blank canvas. So I got some options. I guess I'll do a round of color remover, see what I can get out, and then we will go from there. I gotta take it easy though because my hair, it cannot take much more damage. It feels like crap. Alright, I mixed up Pulpurite blank canvas with their 6-volume developer and I literally just finished putting it on. And I got it through this side first and I feel like you can already see that this side is kind of like coming out a little bit more than this one. And it said to let it process for up to 30 minutes, checking every 5 minutes until results. I think I'm gonna, well, I don't think I'm gonna go back to watching my K-drama, so if I come back here completely just, yeah, anyway, I'll see you in a minute. Alright, it's been 15 minutes. Figured I'd check on my hair before it falls off. As you can tell, I've been watching my show. This is the thing. Last night I was crying so hard I almost threw up, so oh god. Okay. It hasn't really done a whole lot, and I hope that this isn't very damaging. I still don't know what color I'm gonna do. I don't know. I'm spiraling. Like, oh, this is me coloring my hair spiraling. You guys are seeing the most authentic me coloring my hair. Before I started YouTube, I would like color my hair in the bathroom watching shows that would make me cry, and here I am. I'm gonna take what I have left and go through and resaturate everything, and I will check in a minute. Alright, I made a grave mistake. I saw how green it still was, so I grabbed some pink color and mixed it with conditioner, and I flipped my head over and thought I was just putting it on the really green pieces. I at least have a vision now. I know what I think I want to do. We're gonna try to I was in no state of mind to be coloring my hair today, apparently. I guess this is what happens when you go into it blind and you don't know what color you want to do. You don't have a game plan. You're just looking here. So I'm using Pulpurite Moonstone. I'm gonna do the Pulpurite Moonstone and we're gonna see what happens. I don't think it's gonna be able to salvage this, but it's fine. Alright guys, I know my hair is a complete and total mess. I was just really impulsively coloring my hair. It normally is better when I have a game plan, but yeah, I was just coloring it with what I had at home. So anyway, I know it's like 1,000 different colors right now, but this is a hopes and prayers hair coloring. So I was putting it on. I was trying to put it on really fast because it works fast. And as you can see, this is 15 minutes it had been on. So I had 5 minutes left after. And I had checked it and I still could see like some green through it on the sides. So I had tried to saturate it with what I had left. And then I let it sit the remaining 5 minutes. So here it is, 20 minutes processing. And, well, with a minute left. And then I realized I had my stopwatch on for, what is that, 418 days. Alright, thank you guys for hanging out and sticking. I know this has been a very much like trust the process kind of things. I don't know how it's looking because the sun's kind of gone down. I just blow dry it a little bit and trim my bangs. So I really want to add like some pink in it, but I don't know. I might wait and see how I feel tomorrow because I'm really tired. This is taking me all day. And then I'll either show you guys my hair styled tomorrow or I'll do the pink in it. Here's what it looks like so far. Pull it up so you can see it feels really dry. So I definitely don't want to do anything else today. I don't think I cut my bangs short enough. I tried, but I think I need to take some more off. They're getting on my nerves. And I know there's still some green tint right there. I might put pink in it. We'll see. So this morning when Serena woke up, she came in, looked at me, and she went, "Oh no, Mommy, your hair broke." So I'm going to do a color block. I'm going to part out this section right here and do it pink. A section right here and do it pink. And the rest of it, I'm going to put Pulp Ghost Blood on it so that when I rinse it, it won't turn this pink. So I'll have like a pink and white kind of color block. You can still see some blue kind of right here, so that's why I figured like this section here would be nice to have it pink. I'm going to part it out. I'm going to do the Ghost Blood in the camera, and then I'm going to come back in here and put the pink on a screen in here for you guys. Alright guys, I'm back. So in the bathroom, I split my hair. I did like a front quadrant right here, and then this one in the back set aside. I'm going to use the Pravana Magenta on it. And there's not a whole lot in here, so I mixed a little bit of it with conditioner. And then this is Pulp Riot Ghost Blood. I mixed it with a hair mask so my hair could get a nice treatment because it is dry AF. This little section here, we're coloring pink, and this one here. And here is another clip of me coloring my hair. This is the Pravana Magenta. Sorry if my voice is a little crazy. I think I'm starting to catch a cold or something. I had about only a half of a tube left of it, which is partially why I decided to just do like these two panel sections since I didn't have a whole lot of color to work with. But I really like the color of it. I feel like it's like a really nice magenta pink. Later on in the video, you'll see I had to tone my hair again. And it's faded out a good bit, the pink has, but it's fading really, really pretty. It's fading into like a really pretty light pink. This part was kind of tedious. What I did was I just took the pink and outlined it. And I'm really glad that I put the lighter color on first because that helps to create a little bit of a barrier. Just in case you do end up with some magenta over there, so you won't have to worry too much about accidentally adding a spot. But I just outlined the perimeter of my section since this was such kind of like a random section. And then I was working in sections, kind of just like getting on the roots before I ran it through the ends. And I was trying to just like get the whole section together so I wouldn't accidentally miss a piece too. And I have like a little weird sideburn part I was trying to get. This color panel, I've gotten a lot of compliments on it, like having like the placement of it. But yeah. And then I went in and I did like some vertical sectioning. Sorry guys, I am like coming down with something. I can barely talk. But I did some vertical sectioning with the color. This was really hard to rinse, by the way. I think I brought that up later. And I just kind of like went through, and any dry spots I saw, I saturated them real good. And there it is. Hi, I've got my hair styled. Oh girl, what do we think? I'm like, I really love it. I feel like so pretty right now. Got our little pink piece down here. We've got our little section right here. Oh my god, it looks so good. There's still like some blue tint to it. When I was curling it, I noticed a band right here that I didn't see, but it's fine. I'll live. It's definitely not perfect, but it was a much needed change. I feel like so good right now. I love it. This was really hard to rinse, by the way. I kept this section in a clip, this section in a clip, this top one, and then this bottom one in a clip. I rinsed all the pink first. So I rinsed the back first and then up here. Since it was just color and a hair mask, I didn't shampoo it out. I put the, help me out here. It's the gloss. I put some of that on each section and then I rinsed it all individually again. Whew. So it was a lot of work rinsing it, but it's fine. It worked out. Oh my god, it's so freaking pretty. The back, there's a section here that's still kind of wet, so the curls probably look like crap, but I'm still going to show you. I fully recognize that the back of my hair is a mess, but here it is. The roots are still pretty yellow and the green is still pretty there, but I'll show you a picture in a second. I actually toned it at work. I used Pulp Riot 9-1 Ash and 9-2 Violet, and I didn't get it on camera because I impulsively did it at work. I don't have a whole lot of time right now because I got a date. I gotta go pick up my new glasses, and then my husband and I are going on a date to eat Five Guys. I'm like meeting him at his work. Anyway, I hope you guys like this unhinged video of me coloring my hair. I starting out not knowing what color it was going to be and ending up with this. I wanted to film a clip because I think my hair looks significantly better today. I don't know. And also I got new glasses. What do we think? I don't know. I think I really like them a lot actually. I've never had a style of glasses like this before. When I met up with my husband yesterday and we went out to eat, he took a look at me and he was like, "It's not my favorite." I was like, ugh. So I don't know. I like it. I think it's cute. It's different. There's a lot more blue left over in person. I don't know if the camera picks it up or not, but yeah. Let me know what you think down below. I hope you all have a great rest of your day and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!